Hello YouTube and welcome to the real Eshay. So you're looking at a partially done gold hoop bamboo earring. These are pretty popular in the urban community, the hip hop I'll say community. That's where they pretty much originated. So I thank you so much for tuning in to this tutorial. As you know, I get right into business. I get right to it. So on the other side of the earring, you're going to see bling. And this is what I did earlier. You probably hear some banging in the back. That's my husband doing some construction work. But anyway, so I actually didn't get a chance to complete this side because I'm going to do that on this beautiful video. And as you can see, I've done... They're so pretty. Look how it's glistening. Oh my god. So so I did both sides of this earring here, and they're just some huge triangular shape type of bamboo gold earrings, and they're covered in AB rhinestones. So of course you can cover them any type of rhinestones that you want to. I use the AB because that's what one of the customers selected. And so let's get involved. Let's get straight into this tutorial. Stay tuned. So as you can see, I am done with both earrings, and they are so freaking pretty, and they just glistening, baby. So you know what to do. Leave comments below if you have any questions, you have any ideas, you have any suggestions. Please leave them in the comment box. Subscribe to this channel. That would really help me out, as I am a new channel. I really have been posting a lot of DIY projects. In the past, I was mainly just posting pictures of the products, not necessarily doing the DIYs. So I've really added some new things to the channel. I've changed a lot, and I really do need your support. So please subscribe. Also, give me that beautiful, beautiful thumbs up. And as always, have a creative day. Bye.